Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, back with another video. Yes, I have a screen protector for my Galaxy S9 Plus, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, yes, I'm going to review this glass screen protector for my Galaxy S9 Plus. It's actually from a company called Gpel. I want to shout them out for actually sending this to me for review. If you want to pick up the screen protector, I will have the link in the description. You can actually get it from Amazon. Bam, there you go. If you want to pause that, you can really. It's supposed to be case friendly for the Galaxy S9 Plus 2018. It is $14.99. Should be in stock in March 25th of 2018. It is Prime eligible. So if you want to pick it up, like I said, I will have the link in the description. In this video, instead of doing the installation on camera, I already installed it Monday. I've been using it for a couple days now. Today is Wednesday, March 21st. So I've been using it for a couple days now, and I just want to go over my experience with it. I'm still unbox it, see what you get in the box. Look at the presentation. I recommend following them on these social media sites. You never know when companies will give away stuff free or discounts. But if you want to pause that, you can read it. So the presentation, A+. You know, you got to have a good presentation. But let's see what you get in the box. You get your alcohol all white microfiber cloth. And then you also get some dust removers. Nice little package. The best thing is it does have an installation guide. And then you get your glass screen protector. I mean, it's just a glass screen protector. So that's what you get in the box. But let's go over the glass screen protector. Bam, there it is. Couple things to point out. It doesn't go all the way to the bottom. Then at the top, you can see it doesn't cover the camera or the speaker. So it has a little cutout that dips on. Then on the sides, you can see it doesn't go all the way edge to edge. That's what makes it case friendly. The touch on here has been really good. I don't have any problems with it at all. I've been typing, sending messages. One thing I did point out, or I want to point out, is because it doesn't come to the edge and it has this little black thing, you can't really see where your edge light is. But my edge light is up here. So that's one problem I had. The other problem, I don't know if it's going to show up on camera or not. It does have a dot matrix in here, so at certain lights, you can see the little dots. Look, bam, there you go. There's little dots on there. It's not noticeable most of the time, but I just want to point out to you so you can make an informed decision on this purchase or not. It says it's fingerprints. I do get a little bit, not much as normal, but I do track some fingerprints on there. Not a big deal. You always have cloths, so wipe it down. But overall, it's been working pretty good for me. Case friendly. I've been rocking these two cases. One from Rinky. Let's try it out. So let's try it out. Y'all can see how it's been. Look. So you do have a little space between the case and the screen protector. So it is what it is. And then on the other one, I've been changing cases. No problem with coming up on the screen protector. The glue has been holding pretty good. There you go too. So again, if you want to pick up this glass screen protector, I will have a link in the description. The installation was pretty simple. You just put that guide on there. You press the edges down on the screen protector, and you're good to go. But again, if you want to pick up this screen protector, I will have the link in the description. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S9 Plus. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.